Good morning. After a long time, we meet today. A warm welcome to each one of you to this academic semester. As you already know, today most of the countries of the world are passing through very hard and miserable time. Most people of the world feel that they are in misery, hardship, distress, insecurity, fear, and unhappiness. The so-called Corona, COVID-19, originated in China in November 2019 and spread throughout the world, still hangs in front of all as the Damocles sword. Owing to the attack of this cruel virus, lakhs of people have lost their lives. Lakhs are being infected with this disease. Recovery, especially in countries like US, Latin America, European countries, is found not so easy due to the absence of specific vaccines or treatments. Of course, many ongoing clinical trials are being attempted for potential treatments. The entry of this black swan has become a serious menace to the world community, the present generation, and the posterity to come. The damages it has made cannot be easily repaired. Most countries are still under partially lockdown. In the present scenario, perfect unlocking is not easy due to the continuous inflow and outflow of people from one nation to the other. It is difficult to explain the impact created and influence made by this brutal virus on nations, especially the developing countries. The people are socially, mentally, physically, and economically weakened and tortured. In every economy, millions of people have become jobless. Other millions are underemployed. People working outside the home country are forced to remain workless. The wages of the people are already reduced. The income of the people dwindles and their purchasing power falls. Demand for commodities declines and consumption of the community falls. As a consequence, production is reduced, and this again aggravates unemployment. The capital market collapses. The liquidity at the disposal of the public weakens. Aggregate savings and investment decline. Profits of the corporates fall. The instability and insecurity in aggregate economic activities lead to a crisis. Because of the lockdown and home quarantine, people are physically weakened and they are mentally depressed. They have a feeling that they are socially separated. At this juncture, all must be vigilant and must be ready to face the situation. Economists, management experts, financial experts, students of economics, budding managers, technocrats, together with the medical team, can help the government a lot. The government of our country tries its maximum, especially in Kerala, the Department of Health and other departments, together with the police and local bodies, political parties, under the guidance of the Chief Minister and Health Minister, together with the members of the Cabinet, have so far done a marvelous work to fight against COVID virus. The government and the health department incessantly directs and instructs the people to keep social distance, to use masks, to avoid open spitting, to have frequent hand washing and sanitization. Don't have an impression that the grave disease can be cured all on a sudden. This cannot be immediately rooted out from our soil, and this may persist for some time. Through collective and conscious effort, the gravity of the disease can be reduced. Therefore, at the present time, our responsibility is very high. The need of the hour is to lift the economy from this crisis. In order to materialize that, we must have a long-term perspective and vision. Being responsible students, you must have certain duties to escape from this panic. This academic year is not like the year you had early spent in your school time and colleges. This must be an year of hard work. This must not be a time for entertainment and other activities. Please concentrate on your studies alone. The money which your parents earn at this time is so precious, and please spend it carefully. Pay your fees without default, attend your classes online or live regularly, get your study materials, prepare scripts promptly, present your assignments, and write the test papers without fail. Please clear your arrears supplementary papers in the university examinations, and in your final semester, come out of the college with excellent results. When you come out of the university, you must be very useful products for absorption in other sectors. I wish you all the best in the coming semester.